how to log into your Binance account step by step. The very first thing that you need to do is simply install the Binance application on your phone. Once you've successfully installed the application, you'll be able to get this interface where you can simply tap on the option I'm a crypto pro right here in order to get into your account. So after doing that, here you'll get into this page where you'll need to add in your email address or your phone number, and you'll need to select this option to agree the privacy notice. And once you do that, you can simply tap on the option register right here, right? But in here, since we are trying to log into our account, you'll need to actually tap on the button login right here, and once you do that, you'll get into the login page where all you need to do is, again, like I said, write in your email address or your phone number, then tap on login. Once you do that, you'll actually be able to get a code to you. Simply verify with your code and you'll be able to log into your account. But here, if you have used your Google ID or your Apple ID, you can even tap on them in order to log in using those platforms. If you have your passkey, then you can also tap on continue with passkey and add in your passkey of your account, and you'll be able to successfully log into your Binance account like that.